When the United States of America was founded, they made sure to include in the Bill of Rights the Second Amendment, which was the right to bear arms. The founders believed that each American citizen had the right to keep and bear arms. Today, much newer and deadlier weapons are involved, such as assault rifles or semi-automatic pistols, and with these kinds of weapons in play, the government wanted to make sure to protect citizens' safety, especially children. And so that led to a response in 1994 to the assault weapons ban, which would take the deadliest of these weapons off the street. However, in the 21st century, we see the law changing, as in 2004, the assault weapons ban was allowed to expire and is yet to be renewed.
Days before the ban on assault weapons like these was set to expire, some of the nation's top cops went to Capitol Hill to take aim on Congress. Meanwhile, members in Congress claim there are enough votes to renew the ban, but doubt anyone will step forward to do it with an election year on the horizon.
In keeping with this new trend of the 21st century of changing gun rights, many states in 2004 affirmed the right to open carry handguns, meaning that citizens were now allowed to carry handguns on the hip as long as they were openly seen by any passerbyers, and they could do this without a permit.
But what are the legalities of carrying a handgun on your hip? Right now, out in the open, it's perfectly legal. You don't need a permit. But the minute I untuck my shirt or put on a jacket, you've got to have a permit.
But recently, states have been going towards even more relaxed restriction on handguns. In 2010, Arizona became the third state to allow concealed carry without an additional permit, meaning that citizens can now not only carry where it needs to be seen, but now they can conceal a weapon and carry it without the knowledge of the public and not require an additional permit to do so.
People 21 and older will no longer need a concealed weapons permit in Arizona. Arizona has now become the third state, joining Alaska and Vermont, to allow people to carry concealed weapons without a permit.
We've clearly seen so far in the 21st century that a new approach has been taken to the right to bear arms. The question now is that in the future, as we proceed deeper into this century, how are we going to balance the rights of our citizens with their own safety?